Hi everyone, so here we have Mr. Byong Cho. He's the CEO of ExoBio. Byong is the first person to commercialize exosomes for the skin and also the first person to speak on exosomes publicly. So Mr. Byong Cho, may I ask you, how do you differentiate or point out real exosomes versus fake exosomes?
Okay, thank you so much for your great question, Alison. And here, let me share a couple of slides first. There are so many exosome companies who have been following us after we started our business in the United States. I found that there are about 80 exosome companies. So many of them are misleading doctors and patients. So I want to share the real science from this slide. Let's look at this slide. It's one example. You can see that every exosome company is saying that they have the best quality of exosomes, but when you look at their ingredients, I strongly ask you to check the ingredient list and their registration. Here, let's look at this product. It's not exosomes, it's a conditioned media, which is an old technology which contains huge impurities, not exosome. According to our research, only 0.06% is exosome, which means that 99.94% are impurities or unknown particles. And even sometimes they are saying that they can store their exosomes at room temperature, which is not scientifically possible yet. But we are trying to develop that kind of product, but it'll take some time more. Another product here, let's look at this number. As you know, exosomes are very tiny nanosized particles, which has almost zero weight. They should be a kind of water, almost they have zero weight, but they have here 300 milligrams. In my view, the value of this buyer should be $1 million if you have their exosomes in reality. Three important things I should recommend for you to check is that their manufacturing process, their patents, and their scientific publication. ExoBio is the only exosome company who has done clinical validation with 38 clinical or non-clinical publications. Thank you.